Kiddy's tree.
Hello, special friends! I'm Shelly the snail. I'm here today to find the amazing soft letter S.
Look, here is the big S and the little s. They look like snakes or swimming lines, and they make a smooth, hissing sound.
The letter S says, it's our hissing sound. Super! You sound like soft silk. Let's find words.
What a bright friend! It's the sun. Sun starts with S. Say it with me. Sun. Look at that smooth friend. It's a snake. Snake also starts with S. Let's say snake.
What are these for? They're socks. Socks starts with S too. Try saying socks. Splendid! We saw the sun, the snake, and the socks. They all have the sizzling S sound. Thanks for your super spirit.